reactions on your table?
No.
Groups with sugar, you got some reactions happening at your table?
Ours is red.
Ah, it's reddish.
At the top.
I want you to take a couple of seconds and I want you to think about why exactly starches had no reaction, but sugars did. Sugars obviously got in or got out of that bag. Sugars obviously got in or out of that bag. Now I gotta figure out why.
So maybe the starch molecules are bigger, so it's harder for them to escape, but the sugar ones are small, so they can go.
Yeah. That's
Ah.
why your mouth has to break down the starches.
What?
Your mouth has to break down the starches so they can form smaller molecules.
That's why it's sugar, starch is sugar.
Oh.
Oh! So check this out, right? When we're studying the inside of the mouth, we've got this stuff called ptyalin in there, right? And ptyalin when we chewed on that cracker took on, instead of having that starchy kind of bland flavor, it started to take on a sweet flavor. Then we swallow it, it goes through the esophagus, it hangs out in the stomach for a little bit, and then it goes into our small intestines, where it meets up with other types of chemicals that do what to that littler starch? What does it do, Noah?
Break it down even more.
It breaks it down even more. And then what happens to it is it hangs out in the small intestine even longer. It becomes a liquid and it becomes dissolvable. And then that little dissolvable thing gets sucked up by the what? By the blood. And the blood takes it where?
To our cells.
To our cells.
So it's already sugar by that point.
Yeah, and our little tiny sugar is able to sneak in through that cell membrane. Check that out. That's so cool.